This is Run Hill sand dunes. Standing at the very edge of it, and then it abuts into Nag's Head Woods, and here is the sand dune that we climb up at the edge of the woods. There's the sound way back there. We being Clifford. And then if we walk up this way, come Cliffy, it opens up into even more sand dunes. Huge. There's townhouses way back there in the background. And back there are the schools with a windmill. And that windmill is only about 2 blocks from my house. See how the wind forms those dunes. Nice wide open places. There's more dunes on the other side of those dunes. And no place to go but play. Play, play, play. Clifford! Clifford!